Sublime text is the best. Vim is the most productive. It's better because it has
better
lots
because
of
it's
open
open
source. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna turn Discord into a code editor. And then I'm gonna code a simple project in it. How am I gonna do that? Well, let me explain. In Discord you can create servers. We're gonna use those for the project's names. Inside servers you can have channels. And we're gonna use those for files. But where are we gonna write the code? Obviously inside the about me's of the people that send messages in the aforementioned channels. Nah, I'm just kidding. Every message sent in the channel, for example main.py, will be considered code. Oh, also, do you know that useless thread feature that nobody uses anymore? Well, we're gonna use it to point out errors in the code. Now that we got the plan done, let's actually make it. With some simple code I was able to do this. And with that, the first task is complete. Warning. This project uses self-bots, which are Discord bots but with user accounts. Bots can detect when you create a server unless it was invited there. Although I don't promote self-bot usage because it's against Discord TOS, I'm gonna use it anyway for this project so I don't have to invite a bot every time I create a server. Back to the video. Wait, how are we gonna delete a project? Simple. The code will listen to know when you're gonna leave a server that you own, aka delete a server, and then it will remove the project from your file system. So, to delete a project, you just have to go to the server settings and then press the delete button. Alright, now we got a problem. You see, when you create a server in Discord, there are some channels that get created automatically. But we don't want to have these files in our project. So, what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna create a script that will delete all the channels when you create a server, so we can have an empty folder. Now let's implement the file creation process. It was very easy. What the script does is it listens to the channel create event, checks if the server where the channel was created is owned by you, then it gets the channel name and creates an empty file with that name. Oh yeah, channels can't include a period, so I had to modify the code to replace the hyphens in the channel name with a period. Now let's see if it works. And with that, the second task is complete. Now let's make the third one, which is arguably the hardest. Also, if you didn't know, Discord has code blocks which highlight the syntax of programming languages. And we can use those to, colorize text. I just had to make the script listen to the channel create event, collect all the messages in the channel, and then write them up in a file. Let's see how it looks. Alright, but we got a problem. What if we want to remove a specific chunk of code or edit it? Fear not, I just had to copy the same exact code and replace the event with message delete and message update. Nah, I'm just kidding. I wasted a lot of hours trying to make this work. Anyway, now we can edit and delete code. In Discord there's this event called message update, which will send you data when a message updates. And we can use that to get the new code in case it was edited. Why am I telling you this? Well, it also gets data when a thread is created on a message. Dude, like, why? Thread create exists already. Why do you need to send a payload to message update if there's an event for that already? I fixed it by adding this line. Basically, if the content of the message doesn't change, it just ignores it. But hey, not all sad news. Look what works now. It also supports multiple languages. I just realized this feels like that Google Colab site where you have individual pieces of code with Python. Anyway, now the finished touches. Error message, and that's it. Oh wait, we forgot the installation of the package. Okay, so if you want to install a package, you create a voice channel like this, followed by the channel name. It currently works with Node.js only, but you can modify this line of code to make it work with any other package managers. Alright, now let's make a project using this. Let's make a simple Discord bot that will... Never mind, I'm lazy. I'll just make it print a random color each 5 seconds. So yeah, it works now. If you want to try this for yourself, it's available on my Patreon. Warning, don't use this code on your main account. It's not designed to work like that. Just create a new account. A big thanks to all of the patrons for supporting the channel. Thanks for watching, and as always, see you in the next one.